What is 6/8 plus 5/8? Well, there's 6/8, there's 5/8. Now what do we have all together? Well, each of these parts is 1/8, and we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts. So we have 11/8. As you know, that's an improper fraction because it has a larger numerator than denominator, so it represents more than 1. But we could also show this as a mixed number. This seems confusing because here it looks like we don't have any whole numbers. But let's move 2 of those eighths over to this rectangle. Now you can clearly see our mixed number, 1 and 3/8. And if you know that 11 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 3, it's easy to work out our mixed number. So what is 5/6 plus 2/6 as both an improper fraction and a mixed number? We have 5/6 and we're adding 2/6. Now we can count 7/6 all together. That's our improper fraction. But what about our mixed number? Well, we can make one whole by moving 1/6 to this first rectangle. So then you can see as a mixed number we have 1 and 1/6. And if you know that 7 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 1, it's easy to work out our mixed number. Now 11/12 plus what is 1 and 3/12? Well, there's 11/12 and there's 1 and 3/12. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 more 12ths. So 4/12 is our missing number. Notice 1 and 3/12 is the same as 15/12. Here we have 15/12 altogether, and if we start with 11, we know that we need 4 more to make 15. Now we have 1 and 1/8 minus 4/8. So from 1 and 1/8 we can take 1, 2, 3, 4/8 away, and that leaves us with 5/8. But rather than drawing it out, if you know that 1 and 1/8 is the same as 9/8, then you can just do 9 take away 4 to make 5 and keep the denominators the same. So here 19/12 minus something equals 10/12. So they've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/12 to make 10/12. Now 1 and 6/10 minus what is 9/10? Well, 1 and 6/10 is the same as 16/10, and to get 9 from 16, you need to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our missing number is 7/10.